Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Gather materials: a 9 by 6 inch paper, a 2B pencil, an eraser, a 0, 5mm pen, and colored pencils for finish. Use a 9 by 6 inch paper and a 2B pencil for construction lines. Lightly draw a 16:9 horizontal rectangle to frame the car. This keeps the Ferrari LaFerrari's wide stance accurate. Start with a 1/4 length guideline to place the cabin and engine bay. Mark wheel centers 3.5 inches apart for this size. Adjust proportionally for larger paper. Block the silhouette quickly. Draw a low roof line, a steep windshield, and a long rear deck to capture the LaFerrari profile. Block the silhouette with a low roof line and long rear deck. Place wheels tangent to the lower guideline and 3.5 inches apart on 9x6 paper to preserve balance. Add vertical guidelines to divide the car into cabin, nose, and rear. These help locate doors, intakes, and the engine cover. Keep lines light so you can refine curves and correct symmetry as you proceed. Refine panel lines. Add the sharp nose splitter, sculpted side intakes, and the distinctive rear diffuser. Ink final lines with a 0.5mm pen and erase all pencil construction. Shade using crosshatch and a softer pencil for reflections and carbon textures around vents and the diffuser. Add highlights with an eraser and color the main body Ferrari red, leaving bright spots for specular reflections. Finish wheels with spokes, brake calipers, and a dark center. Sign and date the piece to complete your LaFerrari drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.